guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Caroline and you should totally subscribe and join the man fam. It is so hot outside, even though like it's basically fall time. I consider it fall time, but Texas is literally a sauna all the time. So like my room is really hot. I had to change out of my Christmas pajama pants, even though I wish it was time for that. But today I've been feeling so productive. Usually like never this productive, but I'm just in a really good mood because like I lit a fall candle, I edited like 3 videos, got those ready, and I'm trying to have like a new uploading schedule every 2 days, but I'm not sure like if that's gonna work out or how long that'll work out. But I'm gonna try to like stay motivated and post a lot more, but also like managing my school and balancing all that out. So today's agenda is going to look like this. Alana's sister is driving Alana and I to take pictures somewhere. I think it's called like the Oasis, but supposedly it's supposed to be really pretty. It's kind of raining right now, so I'm not sure like how the weather's gonna hold up. I'm so excited, and you know, you can never have enough pictures on Instagram. I'm gonna put on a little bit of makeup today since I usually don't wear makeup that much during the school week. So yeah. Also, does anybody else's necklaces like get like flipped around? Like it's so annoying. I find myself adjusting it like all the time. All right, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is take some of my Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. This is like a really great chapstick or lip balm that I like to use. So I'll just take some of that and then like put it on my lips. So I already put on my Curology moisturizer, so I don't need to moisturize my face. Although I think I'm gonna put some primer like around my T-zone area just because it's kind of getting a little rough. So I'm going to be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and I've literally had this for like 3 years. Probably expired, but it's okay, it still works. So all in this area is where I like to put this. All right, next I'm going to put on some foundation. For today's foundation, I'm going to be mixing 2 different shades that are not my shades right now. So like when I mix them, it makes the perfect shade. They're both different brands. I've got the Lancome 380 Bis W foundation and then the Face Tape in the shade Medium Golden. So I'm going to put a little bit of the Face Tape foundation on my hand. And literally, I don't even use that much because this stuff goes a long way. All right, now I'm going to take my beauty blender and put this on my face. I tried to do a very like minimalist makeup look because my younger self used to cake everything on my face, and it's so ugly and just like unattractive. So I don't want to go back to my old ways. So a little goes a long way. All right, next thing I'm going to do is put on my concealer. And for concealer today, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape. Even though it's really light for me right now, I kind of just like need to get a good use of it. So the bronzer will hopefully help not make my face look as pale, but a little goes a long way using this. So I pat it out with this, and then I'll start going in circular motions. Okay, now that I'm looking at it, it actually doesn't look that bad. What does look bad though is my eyebrows. Yikes. And I also need to get them waxed because it's been like a month. Okay, I kind of want to do like an eye look today, but I'm not really sure because every time that I do eye looks, I end up like regretting it and wishing that I never did it. But you know what? Today I'm going to be spontaneous and use an eyeshadow palette because I love using those. Alright, so in honor of fall season, even though it's like, it's basically fall, I'm going to be using the Tartelette Toasted palette. I remember when this first came out, Ella and I were literally through the roof. Like we were so excited, and it really is a great palette. Like I don't have any bad things to say about it. I just haven't had time to use it in a while, and I don't know, I just remember using it all the time though last year. Alright, so this is the fall makeup look that I went with. This is definitely like kind of out of my comfort zone because like I personally don't like to wear this much makeup, but I thought it would be fun to like experiment with my eyeshadow palette, and I kind of did like this orangey look. So yeah, now I need to pick out the outfit that I'm wearing. I think I want to wear like, actually, I don't know what I want to wear.
And in the dream,
daddy.
To twin.
It's my twin. Hairspray in my hair.
What's that?
It makes you crap.
No. If you did, I would kill you. I literally almost died last night because I went to Torchy's and got a taco. What's up, guys? Oh wait, Alana, do you have a tripod?
You have a tripod. You have a tripod. Yeah, somewhere.
I thought there was one on the counter. So, I didn't get to vlog that much, but Alana got like montage clips when we were at the Oasis thingy. So, now we're just gonna, So now we're just gonna make some tea and hang out. Alana was about to lace my tea with some
Laxatives.
yeah, no thank you.
Dude, don't get the dirty dishes. Something get hot.
Beta. You guys, I did not know, but collagen is bad. No bueno.
Oh.
If we give happiness to others, we will end up happy. Facts.
I'll stick her in for this. Thumbnail.
Facial. Is it hot still? Oh my god. Are you okay? I choked. She nodded out her tea. Guess what? She was gonna slip a lactate thing in
Laxative.
Oh, this tea smells so good. Y'all, remember when oh shoot! Remember when Alana's dog was so little?
Hey, Caroline. Oh, that's disgusting. Oh my god. Caroline smells. Okay, look.
Okay, so our spaghetti's finished. This is what it looks like. We already ate it, so we can't like fake a taste test. I mean, we could, but
But that'd be lying.
that'd be lying. Okay, so yeah, that's all I had to say.